Hi, welcome everyone to economics6.com. Today we'll be doing learning how to make a table of contents for a document. So the conventional method that we use is to write it manually. But if the document is very big, then the manual construction of table of content is very time taking, and sometimes if there is only one line change, all the table changes. So there's a feature in the Microsoft Word that can help us to make fast and adaptive table of contents. So first thing, in to make table of content, it is required that you need to label all the headings. So in this document I have given an example, so hopefully you will understand and you will use this approach in your study, so that the time is saved in preparation of the document and it is spent on writing a quality work. So first of all, in your document where all the headings are, you need to find that you need to number these headings. So first of all, heading is here, definition, so I label it heading number 1, and then there's another heading, then I labeled it heading number 2. So this heading numbers feature is already there in Microsoft Office. So then there is heading number 3. Then if there is any other small heading, then I can go with heading number 4. So for example, here, this way, this is heading number 1 again. So then there is heading number 1, heading number 1, heading number 1, heading number. So it's up to you. You need to decide when which heading is which number. So this way all the headings are labeled in your document. So usually when you are writing, you need to make a habit that you are working according to the, you are already labeling the headings while you are writing it. Once all the headings are labeled, what you have to do is create one space after the title and go in insert, and in insert you will find page numbers. First of all, you need to add page number so that you can check which page number it is. Then you go in references, add table of contents. For that you need to click it and start add table of content. So first of all, start with any design so that you can see how it is made, then you can see all other levels. So I have done this, so you can see here. So it is contents, definition, so all the subheadings are indented inward. So this way you have table of content. So and when you add another heading, just come back to table of content, right click and update field and update entire table. If there is a new heading, then update entire table. If there is only change in page numbers, just then update page numbers only. Sometimes people mistakenly select a paragraph as a heading. So what happens then, when you update it, update entire table, that paragraph comes as a it's heading number 4 is not coming. So let's select heading number 3. So if you update the table, so you will find the paragraph is shown here. So how to solve it? You need to find that paragraph and then unselect it to normal and adjust its formatting that you want to do. So this way, when you update it again, it will be removed. Same way you can do it for the figures. Suppose you have a figure here, insert. I will add just one diagram. So let's add a shape. So suppose this is our figure. Just go here and in references, insert caption, and let's select exclude, unselect it. It will be figure number 1. Okay, and so this way, and let's assume that there is another table. So I will make one table here, and I will also go in references, insert, select table, and it will have a label. So this way, after table of contents, you can also have insert list of tables. So you can go here, insert the table of figures. So it will ask what type of table you need. So I need a caption label tables. So when I do it, so it will show me table number. So I will add here list of tables, and then there will be list of figures. So I will just go here, insert, and then select figures, and it will, this way you can update the table and all the lists will be updated automatically. So the last thing is you need to make sure it is APA formatted. So what you need to do is, before writing the document you need to set the defaults. So what I usually do is go here in heading number 1 and modify it and make sure it is APA. So for APA it is New Times Roman, heading number 14, it should be bold, and then I press OK. So this way all my heading number 1s are updated. Similarly, I go in heading number 2, modify, it should be New Times Roman, it should be heading 12 and bold. So all my heading number 2s are updated. Similarly, heading 3, modify, it should be Times New Roman, it should be italic. So all heading 3 are updated. So last thing you need to do is add heading numbers. So what you can do is just go here and write one heading number here, and then 1.1 here, and then 1.1.1. Similarly, add heading numbers to all. So when you update it, update field, update the table, you will add numbers. So this way you can update the table, you can update list of tables. Hopefully you understood this example, and this way a lot of time will be saved in your document preparation for your thesis or research project, and the saved time will be used in some other means, like adding a good literature review, improving the writing quality. So these research tools can help you improve the writing quality rather than spending time in just managing the big document. Thank you very much for watching. Do subscribe and like our videos. Thank you.